everyone. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into a concept that bridges the gap between a traditional flower garden and a productive farm: the edible garden layout. An edible garden layout is the intentional and strategic arrangement of food-producing plants, such as vegetables, fruits, herbs, and edible flowers, within your landscape. Unlike a hidden vegetable patch in the far corner of the yard, an edible layout integrates these plants into the overall aesthetic of your home. It's about more than just growing food. It's about designing a space where pathways, structures, and plant heights work together to create a functional, organized, and visually pleasing outdoor environment. Adopting a thoughtful layout for your edible garden offers numerous advantages that extend far beyond the kitchen. From a practical standpoint, a well-organized layout maximizes your available space, allowing you to grow a higher volume and variety of food, even in smaller suburban lots. By using methods like raised beds or vertical trellises, you improve accessibility, making planting and harvesting much easier on your back and knees. Environmentally, these layouts often incorporate mulch and efficient irrigation, which conserve water and improve soil health over time. Perhaps most importantly, a beautiful edible garden encourages a deeper connection with nature and provides a sense of food security. There is a unique psychological satisfaction that comes from walking through a curated, lush landscape and picking fresh ingredients for your dinner, all while knowing exactly how they were grown. Creating an edible garden that looks like a professional landscape requires a focus on structure and color. Start by defining your space with permanent hardscaping, such as gravel paths, brick walkways, or elegant wooden raised beds, which provide a clean frame for the organic growth of the plants. To add visual interest, treat your vegetables like ornamental plants. For example, use the deep purples of red ripple kale or the bright stems of Swiss chard to create focal points. Incorporate decorative elements like obelisks for climbing beans, bird baths, or even solar-powered fairy lights to give the garden a lived-in feel. Mixing in non-edible flowers like marigolds or nasturtiums not only adds pops of vibrant color, but also serves the functional purpose of attracting pollinators and deterring pests. By layering different heights, placing taller corn or trellis tomatoes at the back and low-growing herbs at the front, you create a sense of depth that makes the garden feel like a lush, intentional masterpiece. When choosing plants for your layout, it is essential to select varieties that offer both high yields and aesthetic appeal. Leafy greens like lettuces, kale, and spinach are perfect for creating lush, green borders and can be harvested continually throughout the season. Herbs are another must-have. Rosemary and lavender provide structure and wonderful scents, while basil and parsley fill in gaps with vibrant textures. For vertical interest, consider climbing plants like sugar snap peas, pole beans, or even small varieties of squash that can be trained up a trellis. Fruit-bearing shrubs like blueberries or currants can act as beautiful hedges, and dwarf fruit trees offer a classic orchard look without taking up massive amounts of space. Don't forget edible flowers like pansies and calendula, which brighten up the garden beds and can be used to garnish salads, making your garden as functional as it is fashionable. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best edible garden layout ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One, the Magnolia Garden Sanctuary. This layout features high-quality wooden raised beds arranged in a clean, grid-like pattern on a bed of dark gray gravel. The contrast between the warm wood and the cool stones creates a modern, sophisticated look, while overhead string lights and a custom Magnolia Garden sign add a personal, welcoming touch that makes the space feel like a true outdoor room. 2. The Sunburst Circular Orchard. A breathtaking geometric design where garden beds are carved directly into a lush green lawn in a sunburst or wagon wheel shape. This layout uses low-growing crops in the center and taller, flowering plants on the outer edges to create a natural amphitheater of food, perfectly framed by the golden light of a backyard sunset. 3. The cottage kitchen pathway. This idea embraces the organized chaos of a cottage garden, featuring winding brick paths lined with a dense mix of herbs, flowering shrubs, and climbing vegetables. A small bistro table set amidst the greenery turns the garden into a functional dining space, proving that you can harvest your salad and eat it in the same beautiful spot. 4. The modern geometric courtyard. Utilizing unique, multi-angled wooden beds, this design creates a starburst pattern in the center of the yard. This layout is perfect for those who love symmetry. The clean lines of the timber provide a sharp contrast to the sprawling textures of strawberry plants and herbs, making it feel like a contemporary art installation. 5. The vertical living wall. Ideal for small spaces, this layout uses a custom-built frame to hold dozens of orange planters in a tree-like arrangement. By growing up instead of out, you can cultivate a massive variety of greens and herbs on a single wall, creating a stunning green tapestry that serves as both a privacy screen and a pantry. 6. The colorful potager display. This layout treats gardening as a performance, using tiered planting mounds surrounded by white river rocks and vibrant purple flowers. The use of repurposed blue barrels and orange planters adds a playful, eclectic vibe, demonstrating how recycled materials can be elevated into a high-end garden feature. 7. The fenced-in greenhouse estate. A classic and secure layout that features a charming wooden picket fence surrounding several large garden beds and a glass cold frame. This design is as practical as it is pretty, protecting your harvest from local wildlife, while the centered gate and gravel paths give it the structured feel of a traditional English estate garden. 8. The rustic farmstead commons. This layout focuses on large, deep-timbered raised beds set on a rustic red mulch ground cover. A central wooden bench and overhead lighting make this more than just a garden. It's a community gathering space where you can relax under the trees and enjoy the sprawling views of your growing herbs and tomatoes. 9. The white picket perimeter garden. For those who love a clean, traditional look, this layout uses white vinyl fencing to define a large, multi-bed vegetable garden. The white fence makes the deep greens of the kale and the bright reds of the flowers pop, while an integrated irrigation system ensures that the neat rows of produce stay healthy with minimal effort. 10. The arched entryway garden. This layout features a stunning white pergola or arbor at the entrance, welcoming you into a lush, fenced-in paradise. Inside, a mix of raised beds and in-ground planting creates a layered effect, with a small shed in the background providing a focal point that completes the picture-perfect, mini-farm aesthetic. Designing an edible garden layout is one of the most rewarding projects you can undertake for your home. It's an investment in your health, your property value, and your daily happiness. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a tiny patio, there is an edible layout that can work for you. By focusing on structure, choosing the right plants, and adding those personal decorative touches, you can create a space that feeds both your body and your soul. If you found these garden layouts inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more tips on creating the outdoor space of your dreams. Which of these 10 layouts was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new design guide. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.